Hello, myself V. Nandini from Geeta High School, Tupran. To conserve the birds, we have placed a bird bath on the tree. This bird bath should be placed at safe height so that birds are safe from cats.
Hello, we are from Geeta School Tupran. Here we built a house for insects. Let's see how the procedure is. Start by laying some bricks on the ground. Leave some space between the bricks. Fill this space with leaves, branches, bamboos and some other materials. Cover this with the help of a roof or a wooden plank. We are providing tunnels for the insects to feel safe. After some days, if we observe the leaves are eaten by some insects. At least by this way, we can conserve some insects.